Every day you save reels, a workout tip, a business idea, a recipe you meant to try. But when you actually need one, you're digging through 5 apps, scrolling forever, finding nothing. Sound familiar? Meet RealCache, where your saved content stops getting lost and finally starts making sense. Getting in is easy. Enter your mobile number, verify with a quick OTP, and set up your profile in seconds. You're ready instantly. Pick up to 3 categories that match your world: education, fitness, business, and more. Your personalized dashboard loads instantly. Want to go further? Tap Plus to add more or build a custom category of your own. Saving a link takes seconds. Tap Add Link, drop in the URL, tag it with a category and hashtags, set a reminder, add a note, and it lands exactly where it belongs. Spotted a travel reel on Instagram? Tap Share, pick RealCache, and the link fills in automatically. Add a label, hit Save, done in 2 taps. Tag your saves with hashtags and find any reel instantly with one search. Set a reminder and get notified at the right time, because saving something should mean actually using it. Everything you need, one tap away. Flip between categories, jump to favorites, update your profile, or head to the menu, invite friends, share feedback, or manage your account with ease. A student leveling up. A professional staying sharp. A creator collecting ideas. An entrepreneur capturing the next big thing. Whatever drives you, RealCache keeps it all in one place. Your saved content deserves better than a forgotten bookmark. Download RealCache and turn everything you save into something you actually use. Stop searching, start organizing.